Here are 10 unusual historical professions that reveal the diverse and often bizarre ways people made a living in the past. Please subscribe. Knocker-up. Before alarm clocks were common, knocker-ups were employed to wake workers by tapping on their windows with a long stick. This profession was particularly prevalent in industrial areas where workers needed to start their shifts early. Mudlark. Mudlarks scavenged along the banks of the River Thames in London, searching through mud for valuable items like coins and jewelry. This practice was a means of survival for many impoverished children from the 1700s to the early 1900s. Ratcatcher. Ratcatchers played a crucial role in urban areas plagued by vermin. They were responsible for controlling rat populations, which were known to spread diseases. Despite their important work, ratcatchers were often looked down upon due to the nature of their job. Groom of the stool. This was a high-ranking position in the royal household responsible for assisting the monarch with personal hygiene needs, including toileting. The groom would carry a portable commode and monitor the king's bowel movements. Vomit collector. In ancient Rome, vomit collectors were tasked with cleaning up after diners who would intentionally vomit to continue feasting. Their job involved collecting vomit in bowls and cleaning any spills on the floor. Leech collector. Leech collectors gathered these blood-sucking creatures for medicinal use during medieval times. They often ventured into marshy areas and used various methods to attract leeches, sometimes even using their own blood as bait. Tasher. Tasha was a term for individuals who scavenged through sewers for lost valuables. Operating mainly in Victorian London, Tashas would risk their health and safety for a chance to find discarded coins or jewelry. Resurrectionist. In the 18th and 19th centuries, resurrectionists illegally exhumed corpses from graveyards for medical research and anatomy classes. This practice was driven by a shortage of legally available bodies for study. Sin eater. Sin eaters were individuals who took on the sins of the deceased by consuming food placed on their graves, believed to absolve the dead's sins and allow them peace in the afterlife. Ostiary. Muckraker. This job involved cleaning up human and animal waste from streets during medieval times, a necessary but revolting task given the lack of sanitation facilities. These unusual professions highlight how societal needs shaped various roles throughout history, often reflecting cultural norms and technological limitations of their times. Understanding these occupations not only provides insight into past lifestyles, but also emphasizes the evolution of work as society progresses.
Please subscribe.